Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can open a strip tri-point thrills on your iPhone screen. So this is an iPhone 7 screen, and the thrills here has been stripped down due to incorrect use or due to bad tools. Now also another thing is when you are using a tool, make sure that you're using a good quality tools. If the head of the tripod thrills is already worn out, then it will not help. You can see this one here. The head is not very good, it's already worn out, so if you try to open it you may find it quite difficult. So make sure that you have a good working tripod thrills where the head is nice and sharp and strong. Now what you want to do, you can use this pry tools, and you want to have it on the side of the thrills. Now the reason why we want to do this is we want to be able to force the thrill drivers down and then turn it slowly. So you want to push it in and then turn. You don't want to keep twisting like this, because if you keep twisting and turning like this, it's going to wear out your thrills and will make it worse. So you want it to go slowly. Now you don't need to use this if you don't want to. You can have your fingernail rest on the other side. So either way it will work just fine. Now you can use this one here and have it lean on that side, and so you want to push it down quite hard, but do not twist or turn too fast. So you just want to push in like that and then slowly twist it, and once you see it come off a little bit, then let go and then slowly take out the thrills like so. Okay, another thing that you could try is to use a tape. Now I've got here is a rubber tape, like a plumbing tape. It's kind of soft and rubbery, so I'm going to put it on top of the thrills. Now what this does is allow your thrills drivers to have more grip with the thrills, and this way you have better chance of getting it out. Now this will not guarantee it's going to work, but you can try it and then just give it a twist. So hopefully that's just give the thrills some grip, and you can see the thrill come off here, right there. So it just come off. So give that a try. You may use Scotch tape or plumbing tape. I've got plumbing tape right here, and that's basically just allow you to have some grip on it. You can try to use a rubber band. Rubber band probably is not so good because it's too big. Rubber band is too big, so I suggest we're using a plumbing tape, and that can help you out. Okay, if that's still not working, you could try to use super glue. So have super glue on a piece of paper or something, and then you want to basically just have a tiny bit on the tip of your screwdrivers, on a tripod screwdrivers, and then just tip just a tiny bit, and then you want to place it on the thrill just like so, and let it sit for say 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You want it to sit, so you want to position it in a way that the thrill is going to stay on to the thrill for 5 minutes, so the super glue will set and harden. Once the super glue is hardened, it will allow you to twist and turn the thrill, and that will allow you to remove the thrill. So at the moment with this one here, you can turn it. If you keep forcing in, it will turn, but if it doesn't turn, then you want to try super glue. Yeah, give that a try. Those are the 3 things that you could try to have it open. So just really use a bit of force. So have your finger or fingernails, and then push it on the other side, and then on this side you want to push it in a little bit, so use some force and push it in, and then slowly turn it, not too hard, just slowly turn it. You don't want to lose grip, as that will wear down the screws even more. Yeah, give it a try. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.